Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make video just like this, and you don't even need to hire this girl, and you can use this video for Pinterest affiliate marketing to promote your Amazon affiliate products. And also, this is actually an AI generated video. It is amazing, right? Okay guys, first and really important thing is you need to know your audience. And because in this video we are going to talk about Pinterest affiliate marketing, when you come here on Similar Web, here you will see that 57% of Pinterest users are female between 18 and 34 years old. And that is really important because we need to promote products that are actually related to women, that are interesting to women. Now, to get some ideas what kind of products you can actually promote on Pinterest, what you can do is you can simply go here on Pinterest trends. And then here you can see what are the current trends on Pinterest. And if you actually check out this carefully, you will see that most of the trends are actually related to nails. Here you can see graduation nails, here you can see summer nails, and so on and so on. So most of the trends on Pinterest are related to nails. But what I would suggest is to actually find a trend where competition is not that big, it's not that strong. But for the purpose of this video, let's just say I wish to promote something related to nails. Now you can find those products on any affiliate marketing network, but for the purpose of this video, I will actually use Amazon. So when I come here on Amazon, here I will simply search for nails, for example, and then press enter, and here I can find lots of nails and nail related products. As you can see here, there is lots of nails and nail related products. So I need to choose one of these products. For example, let's just say I wish to choose this product here. I will just click on it, and here I can see that this product has more than 5,000 reviews and on average is getting 4.2 stars, and that means this is actually a good product, and that means people will actually buy this product. So now what you need to do, you actually need to create a review video of this product. And I know what you're thinking right now. Well, English is not my native language. I'm not good in front of camera. I need to write a script. I need to do a research to write that script. And I need to spend a lots of time editing those videos. And I need to get a video editing software. I need to learn how to edit the videos and so on and so on. Well, actually, luckily for us, we live in AI age. We can actually do this in just 5 minutes and you don't need any skills, okay? So what you need to do, you need to go on a website called HeyGen, okay? And here you can see this is their website and you need to register on this website, and after that you will come to your dashboard and your dashboard will look like this. Here you can see video, you can create a video avatar, you can create AI voice, AI studio, URL to ads, video translations, and so on and so on. So what we need, we actually need to click here URL to ads. As you can see here, this is new. I need to click here and then I need to go back here on Amazon and I need to copy this link here and I need to paste that link here, okay? And then click here on generate video. Give it a few seconds to actually process this. Now here you can see HeyGen automatically pulled some data, some information from this page here. As you can see, they pulled this text here. Now what I would strongly suggest is to actually click here and to read this entire text to see are there any errors, are there any mistakes, to fix those errors, because this is done by AI. Also, if you wish to add some information, you can simply click here and you can add some information if you want. Also, you can delete something if you don't want that in your video. But also, you can add some media. Here you can see they automatically pulled these images in this video from this page here. In case they can only pull one image, you can simply click here on add media and you can upload more images and more videos of that product. Now I don't need to do that, so I will simply click here on next. Now here you need to choose a language. Here you can choose the languages. I will stick with the English language. Local, I will leave it as it is. Now here you need to choose what actually describes the best to your video. You need to choose the targeted audience. Nail technicians, nail salons, I will leave it nail salons, beauty schools, women interested in nail art enthusiasts, and so on and so on. I will leave only these things here. Again, just click here on next and give it a few seconds. Now here you can see HeyGen actually created 3 scripts for your video. And here you can see inspiring, Now, I suggest to read all of these here and then to choose which one you think is the best for you, which script is best for your video. Now, for example, let's just say I wish to choose this one here. When I click on it, here you can see I have an option to edit, and when I click here on edit, now I can edit this script. I can add some things if I want. I can also delete some things if I don't want them in my video. But let's just say I will leave it as it is. I need to click here and I marked this as a preferred script. Then just click here on next. So now we need to choose a template, avatar and a music for our video. Here you can see you have a lots of options, but because we are talking about Pinterest affiliate marketing, I will choose social share. When I click here I can see how my video will look. Like I said, they will use images and videos from the Amazon. And like I said, if you have only one image on that product on Amazon, you can add more images by yourself. And here I can also click on avatar and I can choose one of these avatars. But because this is actually nail related, this is a women related product, I will leave it as a female. So I don't need to do anything here, but you can choose any of these avatars here. And also when I click here on music, I can add a music. So let's just say I don't want to add any music. If you wish to add some music, you can click here and you can add this music. Also, when you click here, you can hear how this song actually sounds. So you can choose the song that you think is the best for your video. But I will leave it with no music. And all you have to do now is just click here, submit, okay? And give it a few minutes to actually process this, okay? Your ads video is being generated. When I click here, okay, I can get my video. This is my video and it's currently rendering my video. And this can actually take up to few minutes. Okay, HeyGen finished generating this video, so what I need to do? I simply need to click here on this video and then I need to click here on download and I will download this video to my desktop. And in a minute I'm actually going to show you how this video looks. Trust me, you will be surprised how good this video actually looks. So now what I need to do? I need to go on Pinterest and I need to upload this video. By the way, as you can see, I installed SortPin so I can actually check out my competition here on Pinterest. So what I need to do, I need to click here on create and then here I need to click to find the video that I just created in HeyGen. Okay, this is the video and now you actually need to optimize your Pinterest pin. You need to optimize title, you need to optimize description. Here is the link, you need to add your Amazon affiliate link. Simply go back here on Amazon and then scroll here, click here on this text and this is my Amazon affiliate link. Simply copy that and then go back here, paste that link here, choose the board, choose the targeted audience. In the description, I will leave you a link to the video where I actually explain to you how to do Pinterest SEO. After that, all you have to do is just click here on publish and publish that video and that's it. So let me just show you how this video actually looks. So I will just click here on play.
Ever wondered how to perfect your nail art skills effortlessly? Let me show you the practice hand for acrylic nails. This flexible, movable nail training hand kit is crafted from durable ABS material, mimicking the size and feel.
As you can see, this actually looks really, really good. Even her lips moves as she's actually pronouncing these exact words. This is a really, really good video and it is AI generated. So what you need to do, you need to create videos like this every day and you need to upload them on Pinterest. But not just on Pinterest, you need to upload it on Pinterest, on Instagram, on Threads, on Twitter, on Facebook. Upload them wherever you can to get as many people as you can to watch your videos. In that way, you will get even more clicks on your affiliate links and you will make even more sales. As you can see, it is not that hard. AI age is here and it is making our marketing much easier and it is making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing and Amazon affiliate marketing in this case much easier. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.